So here we're looking at the Anker Screen Protector for the iPhone 16. It seems to slip off the bottom, the glass protector. You can open it by the top lid. We'll have this one case inside. Then you lift up this one. Then you have the second pack underneath. And then we have the user guide. Your complete screen protector toolkit. We got wet wipes in here, cleaning cloth, and a dust removal sticker. Okay, there's step 1 and 2. Step 1 and 2 says place the clean phone flat in the compartment. Here. Place the clean phone flat in the compartment with the screen facing up. Then place the pull tab and the film over the phone screen. Note, proceed to step 3 for further instructions. So this will be the pull tab. You're going to place it down on the phone. Then you're going to slide your fingers once along the indicated direction to check if the position is correct. Then close the lid and pull the flap at the lower end of the packaging, and then completely pull the tab. So once you have everything in place, you're just going to keep pulling non-stop, keep going until it is just finished. Then once that's finished, you're going to pull open this tab here that says after completing all the steps, remove the blue sticker without touching the screen and then wait for 3 to 5 seems easy enough.